All right, welcome to week number 4, module number 4, looking at the module holistically overall. You can see we have some more basics about reading literature. In this case, we're turning to poetry. We also have some poetry reading assignments. We have a new critical lens, that of historicism, and then we have an essay prompt. So there's a discussion, there's a basic quiz, and outside of that, I'm giving you some latitude this week. I took a couple of assignments off. I'm specifically trying to give you the opportunity to put together a fantastic and compelling essay for next week, which we are going to rough draft on Monday. So we have 1 week to write that. So even though we only have 2 assignments this week, 1 assignment is going to be due at the very beginning of next week. So plan accordingly. Let's go through this module. First, we have this video, which I am redoing right now. We have a Candide assigned reading. We're doing chapters 9 through 16. I have a little bit of a video about what we've already read and what to look forward to. We have chapter 6, the basics of poetry. We have 6 different chapters to read on that, a little video on that. We have a basics of poetry quiz. You need to do the actual reading before you actually take the quiz. Then we have some actual poetry reading assignments. We have Dickinson, Whitman, Hughes, and T.S. Eliot. There's Emily Dickinson again, and T.S. Eliot is next. We have a discussion on poetry. Please ensure that after you do your initial post, that you respond to 2 students' posts in order to get full credit for this week. We have reading about writing about poetry, a little bit on new historicism. And then actually, this is on Emily Dickinson and the Civil War. We have poetry, we have how to write about poetry, we have new historical critical evaluation. And then this is actually a new historical model of Emily Dickinson and the Civil War. So if I'm going to ask you to do something, I'm going to try to demonstrate it. And so we have a student sample paper with words of lead, Emily Dickinson's poetry and the grief of the Civil War, trying to give an opportunity to see how somebody else has tackled something very similar to what we're doing. Then we have our essay prompt. This essay prompt, I really want to highlight. I'm assigning it now. The rough draft is going to be due Monday night, April 27th. Yes. And then Tuesday, you're going to get 2 peer essays to review, and you're going to have the rest of the week to do it. Then you're also going to have the rest of the week to continue to revise your essay and finalize it for final submission on that Sunday. So I'm assigning it now. It's going to be due at the end of next week. In between, we have a workshop that's going to take place starting on the 27th. So assign now, workshop on the 27th, final essay due May 3rd. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you have questions about the prompt, don't hesitate to reach out. I've also included some optional poetry reading. I think that some people are more interested in poetry. This gives us some different options on how to kind of view form. I think form is one aspect of it. So I didn't assign this, but I do think there is some edification that could be had from it. So I wanted to create it as a resource in case you're interested in reading about it. And that is our week. That's all we have going on this week. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out, and let's have a fantastically fun week. Thanks.